So you are trying to log into your WhatsApp account on your iPhone but not receiving any verification code. In this video, we'll show you the best ways to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem on iPhone easily. Before we start, let's first fix some of the obvious problems. You have to make sure you are using a valid phone number and you are putting the correct number, because if you make any one digit mistake, it can cause a problem. Also, you want to make sure you have good network and your SIM is not showing no service or out of service. If that is the case, you can turn the airplane mode on for about 30 seconds and then turn it off again. And you want to make sure you have a good network connection. You can just visit other apps or just search for something on your browser to see that the network connection is okay. Because if the network is bad, you won't receive your code. Now, with that out of the way, if you are not receiving WhatsApp SMS verification code, go to your settings app and then scroll down to messages, then click on it. Now, if you have your iMessage turned off, you will need to turn it back on like this. And then you go to the notifications section and ensure that the notifications is also set to. This is going to ensure that when messages come in, you receive them. But if this didn't work for you, then you will need to check your block contact. So go back to the settings app homepage and then search for blocked now. In the results, you can see block contact right here. Click on it and scroll down again. You will see block contact right here. So you click on it. Now you need to check the contact that you've blocked. If anyone looks like a number that can actually send you a verification, then you need to unblock that number. In this case, you can see this 3233 looks like a number that can actually send a verification code. So I'm just going to unblock it. Now, if that didn't still work for you, then you can go back to the home screen of your iPhone and then go to the control center. Now, you need to check if your do not disturb or any other type of focus setting is actually turned off. If it's turned on, make sure you turn it off, because this can actually prevent notifications from showing up. Now, if that didn't still work for you, then it might actually be a network issue. So you need to go back to the control center and you can turn on your airplane mode and then turn it off. This will help you reboot your network settings. But if that didn't work, then you can also try to restart your phone or even reinsert your SIM card. And if that did not work, you should remove your SIM card and insert it in another phone. So you try to generate a code again and the second phone should be able to receive the code. Hopefully, one of these methods work for you. So let me know which one did in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. You might also be interested in any of these videos.